To disable lock screen notification for custom sound alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Next, scroll down the screen. Under other section, tap custom sound. While the alert for custom sound notification is set to alert, tap lock screen. And then select don't show notification. By choosing this option, when sound notification feature is on and it detects a custom sound that you have added before near you, your phone will not show the notification on your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.